Good morning, Achieve Charter School. Hey, it's Tuesday, February 2nd. It's Groundhog Day today. It's also 100th day of school, so if you see some cute little kindergartners and first graders dressed up as grandmas and grandpas, you should go say hi to them and tell them about when you used to do that when you were their age. Anyways, we're talking about attachment this week and how you need to have some strong adult attachments to be really successful in life. Remember, these are habits of success. These are not habits of meh or things my dad says I should do, but I don't really like to do them because he said I should do them. These are actually habits of success. These are things successful people do, not just successful kids, right? I was in a couple of classes yesterday when the adults were sharing someone who mentored them as a kid, and a lot of those adults also shared someone that mentors them now. Oh, that's an interesting idea. Like, even adults have mentors. Today I'm going to show you a clip from one of my favorite videos. But first I want to stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. So please stand up with me. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, you guys can have a seat. And I said one of my favorite videos, but actually this is a movie. This is a full feature-length movie. It's called Pistol Pete, and it's about this kid who is just like an absolute basketball star back in the olden days, right? And his dad is a basketball coach, and it kind of chronicles the lessons he learns from his dad and also his journey of trying to play with these older kids. He was so good, he got to play with the older kids. That comes later in the movie. And I loved this movie when I was a kid. My brothers and I and my friends, we'd practice drills that we saw in this movie. I can show you some if you're really into basketball. There's one in particular that I can show you at recess that's really fun. So if you want to see that one, let me know. It's super hard. But there's this scene in the movie where the dad, the coach, is talking to his team, and they're high schoolers. And he's talking to them because, you know what? They're not really focused. They're not really listening, and things are not going well, right? And to understand the scene, I'm not going to tell you much. That's about all you need. But you got to understand one part's a little bit hard to see on the screen. But he takes a basketball, and the first thing he does is he draws a circle on the basketball. And then later he just does a dot. So look for those two things, and the rest of it will just kind of make sense. Check out this scene from Pistol Pete.
Dad was a retired naval officer, a World War II hero, and very serious man when it came to inspiring and coaching his players over at Clemson College. As far as Pop was concerned, the way a guy played basketball was a reflection of the way he would live his entire life. His teams knew right where he stood. When he spoke, people listened.
I am not spending valuable hours of my life teaching you boys just how to throw a ball through an iron hoop. This is a way of life. I want players to think. Work, sweat, challenge themselves, discipline themselves, because anything else, boys, it just isn't worth it. To anyone. The problem with you boys is simple. You're all a bunch of dummies because you think you know it all. Give me the ball. You see this circle? The size of this circle represents everything that I know about basketball. But the size of this ball represents everything about the game that's never been discovered. This dot is what you know. Combined. Now, if you'll forget about the girls and cars and listen to me, you'll be able to accomplish things that you never thought were possible. I don't care if you're short, slow, tall, or small. You can play with the best of them if you'll dedicate yourself to becoming better. Now let's run these plays again, boys. Let's do it right.
So I love that. So first of all, those are actually college players, not high school players. But I love that idea, and I want you to discuss with your class today. We kind of started talking about this yesterday. Look, I'm playing the video again. Let me get out of the video and get back to my slides. We talked about this idea that, as you grow up, there'll be times that you think you know stuff, but you really have to start wrapping your head around this idea that the adults around you actually have things to offer, especially if you pick good adults to be your mentors. So this question I want you to discuss right now, just talk with your class. You know what? Let's be honest for a minute. Maybe I don't know everything, and maybe adults know some stuff. Just kidding. That was a joke. What area of your life do you need to seek more adult help? So think about it. Maybe think about your goals that you just set at PLP conferences. Maybe think about some goals that you set in Summit yesterday. Maybe think of some friendships and relationships, or some plans that you're trying to make for the future, or whatever. What's an area that you need help from an adult right now? Like, we're not planning our whole lives. Have a conversation about that, and I will talk to you guys later. Have a great day, Achieve.